Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Evernote notes to the new phone app, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Evernote app on your old phone. Sign in to your Evernote account if you're not already logged in. Ensure all your notes are synced by pulling down on the main screen. Now, take note of the device's compatibility with the new phone. On your new phone, download the Evernote app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the download is complete, open the Evernote app. Sign in to your Evernote account using the same credentials as your old phone. After logging in, allow the app some time to sync all your notes. Check that all your important notes and notebooks appear in the new app. If you have any issues with syncing, ensure your internet connection is stable. You may also want to check that the most recent version of Evernote is installed. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your Evernote settings. If you have a large number of notes, syncing may take a bit longer on your new device. Once syncing is complete, browse through your notes to ensure everything is intact. You can now customize the new app's settings according to your preferences. Explore any new features that may have been added to the latest version of Evernote. Finally, start using Evernote on your new phone seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.